Welcome to read Naneshwari along with me. I am going to read OV 371 to 335.
And this is chapter 13, okay?
Chapter. The word non-violence is simple, but meaning gets clear only on discarding millions of different opinions. On the other hand, if I talk without answering a difference of opinions, that would not do. In the town of Joel Expert, if you think you can sell flipstones, then only take it out. One shouldn't praise goddess of knowledge, as that will never be enough. Listen, the market where camphor is known for pure smell. Now, how can you sell flower in camphor there? So, in this gathering, sir, just the vigor of the speech is not going to bring approval. If I speak making admixture of common and special thoughts on non-violence, you would not listen to that. When pure theorem is mixed with garbage of doubt, your attention runs away through back door. The water which is covered by mass, does swan wade in that water? Or when moonlight comes through the clouds, then Chakor bird doesn't open his beak even for a trial. Like that, if my narration is not beyond doubt, you won't read and accept it, but you will be angry. If I speak without answering different opinions, my speech won't deal with objections and won't get your expectations. The only purpose of my writing this book is that all you saints should always be in front of me and be delighted. Thinking you are real lover of Gita, I picked up texts of Gita to comment upon. I consider Gita my own life and started. Whatever you have, you shall give that and rescue Gita. So this is really not a book but a surety. Out of greed of your possession, if you let your surety go, then listen. Gita and I shall have same end. More or less, I care for your grace. For that I took occasion of these snakes. I had to plan my talk suitable for admire like you. So I had to discuss different opinions. So, if the story gets extended and the explanation of text is bypassed, I am your child. Please excuse me for this. To remove stone from mouthful of food takes time. If that takes too much time to eat, that is not the fault of one who is eating. Should a mother scold her child or be glad when he was late in returning from a journey due to getting rid of gentleman thief he met on the way. But my talk was not like that. It was really unneeded which you tolerate. Now listen. God the spoke. He said, Arjuna, you are with good vision of knowledge. Be alert. Now I shall introduce you to the knowledge. Where there is pardon without outcry, understand. Certainly the knowledge is there. In the bottomless lake, wine of lotus flourishes, or like wealth is the home of a lucky man. I am going to stop here. Thank you very much for listening.